What's good, y'all? It's kingtise. Welcome back to Throughout the Association, and we all lose when the family feuds. What's better than one billionaire? Two, especially if they from the same hue as you. Y'all stop me when I stop telling the truth. Season 5 of Ball in the Family is started on Facebook, and in their latest episode, we got some insight into the differences that LaVar and Lonzo have been having ever since they found out that Alan Foster was stealing money from the Big Baller brand. Now, during a discussion about the Big Baller brand, tension and frustration was very high between Lonzo and LaVar, and after Lonzo asked LaVar and everyone at the table would they be okay with changing the brand name, LaVar was not okay with this at all, and he told Lonzo changing the Big Baller brand name would be like someone asking him to change Lonzo's name to Alfonso because he been damaged goods for the last 2 years. Then after some back and forth about where the brand is as far as perception, LaVar also told Lonzo he made them superstars for a reason, meaning he did all the crazy stuff he did on social media because he believes in his children, but he said he made them superstars for a reason, but if he don't do the things that he doing, Lonzo would be just another regular old player. Now, of course, this argument went viral, and everyone has their opinion about it, but to me, this is just a father and a son having an uncomfortable conversation about their business and the way they feel, and sometimes that's what you got to do to move forward. Now, did LaVar say some maybe unnecessary harsh things? Sure, but was he lying? I mean, LaVar was telling the truth. Lonzo been hurt just as much as he's played the last 2 years, and Lonzo is as popular as he is because of LaVar. Everybody know this. Now, in Lonzo's defense, clearly LaVar feelings was hurt, and sometimes there does come a time where you have to say, yeah, you got me to a certain point, but there needs to be a change in direction moving forward, and I'm sure they have and are having those conversations. But if you ask me, this was just a father and a son having an uncomfortable conversation, which is a good thing, a healthy thing, if you ask me. And also, y'all should keep in mind, if the Ball family didn't want this scene to be shown, it wouldn't have been there. But no matter what LaVar and Lonzo say to each other on Ball in the Family, and even off camera, with time, if they haven't already, they gonna be just fine. What you guys think about this? And definitely subscribe.